2025 wrapped your camera roll recap, quite trendy app where you can just wrap all your camera roll on iPhone super easily, and then just generate a story and share it on Snapchat or TikTok. And you can do it for free with basic functionality. If you want to have some additional functionality, you can create this premium story, and it just costs $4 per week. So yeah, you can see your best friend, find your toxic ex, see who fell off, see your crush, all of the details. So for example, you can see how it looks like. You just give access to your camera roll. You need to get it. And then, for example, here is a demo. What you can find people. That's kind of the idea. You can also give access in this app to your Snapchat or Instagram, where it's actually generates not only based on your camera roll, but also based on your Instagram analytics and stats and your Snapchat stats. So this kind of a story you can see, and then you can just make TikTok from it. So you can make TikTok or Snapchat. So that's kind of the idea. That's the app in here. So that's kind of generated like that. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's the idea. Again, if you wanna have some additional stats, this is just a demo. You need to upgrade. So that's what you see. That's the app.